X's and O's, X's and O's, and these are the colors that are in the palette. Beautiful colors. Today I am using the color called Hooky, and it's a pink, and I'm using it above my crease, almost to the brow bone, but keeping a little bit away from the brow bone because I have something coming there. So I'm laying down the color on my first eye. I am not blending yet. I am just packing it there. Now I'm moving to the second eye and I'm doing the same thing. I'm packing the colors before I blend them. I have oily skin. Right now I am still working with the color Hooky, and I am just making sure that I spread it very well. I'm making sure I spread it very well and to make sure both eyes are even. So that color again is called Hooky. Now I am applying the second color, and it is called Reckless. It's a very dark maroon color and it is very pretty. It applies really nice. I mean, both colors apply seamlessly. So unusually, ColourPop, just makes stuff often, so you never know what you're getting. But on this palette, so far, those two colors are really, really nice, and I'm loving it. So far, I have Hooky and I have Reckless on my eyes, and I'm just patting it in so it can blend together with the first color. Now I'm just blending. If you notice, I'm blending it downwards, like from the top color to the bottom color, so they can look seamless. And now I'm using a shimmer, and the shimmer is called Rookie. Rookie is that shimmer. The shimmer is so pretty, vibrant, beautiful. It is just pretty. But the only error I made was I didn't know it was dry. It's not a creamy shimmer, so I did not put down glitter glue. So I had lots of little specks all over my face, but that was the only thing with that shimmer. But it is so pretty. It looks kind of almost a little gold copper, but then it comes out a complete different color on the eyes. Now I'm in the brow bone. And I'm putting the color No Better, and it is very pretty. It's almost like a pink silver, but more pink. And I'm telling you, all the colors are working so well together. I didn't plan. I just looked at the palette and I figured I'm just gonna play with colors, and it is coming out so beautiful. That no better in the brow bone is so nice. I'm just fanning myself because I put my foundation on and then I want it to dry because menopause heat start coming through, so I had to dry it up. The stuff I use today, these are the brushes that I use today, and the sponge, the LA Girl concealer I use to prime my eyes. This is Essence mascara, This is Juvia's Place Gel Liner in black, and I use that for my brows. This is e.l.f. Party Primer, and that's the matte highlighter. It is by Hourglass. It's really a bronzer, but it's too light, so I use it as a highlighter. And this is my setting powder by Laura Mercier. And Juvia's Place Volume 1 blush, and I use that one only. This is my Wet n Wild black eyeliner. This is my L'Oreal Infallible 112 Cocoa. I use those two lipsticks, Juvia's Place and Fenty. This is my lip liner from Dollar Store. This is my eyeliner that I used, and I use the Max Fix spray. And this is the palette. This is me coming to reveal my look, my beautiful pretty look, and these are the 4 colors that I used. There are 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. This is the brow bone color. This is the color underneath the brow bone before the crease. And this is the crease color. And this is the eyelid color. So 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. Today's inspirational word is by Sir Humphrey Davy. I have learned more from my mistakes than from my successes. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup will see you in another video. Bye.